So the girl and guy counselors made a bet because we wanted to create more competitiveness this year. Whoever wins this third game, they get to send the other cabin with the counselors into the lake.
On your mark, get set, go!
3, 4, 5, go! Go!
We lost, but with dignity.
Are you sure?
They're so mad right now.
Yeah, they're real angry right now. Because we're all going in the lake, ladies.
I'm ready. Embrace it.
I don't even want to right now.